reported. Impact, life-threatening of creeks and streams, burn scars, urban areas, highways, streets. Shallow landslides and mudslides are expected. Some locations that will...
It was like critical thinking and how you make friends.
Nice. Beverly Hills, Alhambra, Mount Wilson, Encino, Northridge, Santa Clarita, Chatsworth, Woodland Hills, Whittier, West Covina, Glendora. This includes all recent burn scars. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering your surroundings. Burn area means that flooding and debris flows are imminent or occurring. Residents living in or immediately downstream should take immediate precautions to protect life and property. Quickly move away from the burn area only if it is safe to do so. Otherwise, shelter and story or the highest location in your home to stay out of the path of fast-moving water and debris flows.
Verlo de negro, me encantó no verlo en tal. Jugadores